Hey, it's Nick Fenton again. It's Friday. It's almost closing time here. I mean, the market's closed. I'm talking about it's almost time for me to get out of here. But at the end of the day, I always like to take a look at these market watch. You can call them a heat map if you want. But some days I like to take a look at some of the big upside moves. Some days I like to take a look at the big downside moves. I'll switch between indices. Today, let's check out the S&P 500. And I want to look at upsiders today, but as you can see here, advanced 248, declining 245. So we had a really even day between advancers and decliners. So a couple names that really stand out: CLF, that's Cliff Natural Resources, up 6.68%. GE had a heck of a day, man. That was awesome. Nice to see GE getting a nice spike. Up 3.4%. Take a quick look at GE, go over to the profit chart. One thing about GE that I really like, we had a really strong run into the close. If you go out here to the 1-year chart, you can see we had a lot of resistance right there. Actually, I'm going to zoom in a little closer to the 60-day. We've had a lot of resistance right around this 1690, 1685 level. But 17 being the psychological barrier, it's great to see it close above 17. I'm pushing for GE. Not only do I own it, but I like the company. So, a few other names were Ford F. We had ETN, Eaton Corp. And, we just had a couple others that were decent movers. But the one that really caught my eye here was the CLF, Cliff Natural Resources. I remember that. I haven't looked at this in a long time. So I want to check it out. It's CLF. Ooh, wow. Here on a 60-day chart for CLF. Oh, man. How did I miss this? Got a really awesome, just beautiful double bottom here, right around 40. Neckline was right around 46.5. I mean, look at that. It broke the neckline on nice volume. Retraced to the neckline, resistance turn support, and then just took off. Since then, it's been trending to the upside. I'm going to zoom into a 30-day chart so we can get a better look at this trend. Yeah, look at that. It's a beauty. Got a really nice trend going on here. And a little bit of a bull flag. If we zoom into around a 10-day, yeah, you can see we got a bull flag in the works. So the bull flag starts at 60, tops out at about 64. We could have another 4-point run here. And based on the volume into today's close, we're likely to see that. So we've got this nice volume there on the flagpole creation, and we've seen a nice increasing volume into the close today as it ran to the upside. But I'd wait for a break above around 60.50 or so, maybe even 60.25. If you see a break, I'm sorry, not 60.25, a break above, where am I here? 64.50 on continually strong volume, and I think you have a really good opportunity for another 3.5 points to the upside, which would be a beauty. Have a great weekend, everyone. Talk to you next week, and relax and enjoy your weekend. Forget about all the losses you took this week, if you took any losses, and celebrate those wins.